Hi, this is Rebekah here with the Tailored Realty team, and today we are talking about ways that you can make your offer stand out. In this video series, you've already heard some of my other colleagues talk about tips and tricks, and today I am talking about your earnest money and a written statement. So your earnest money is something that you put down, you pretty much saying that you're sincere and you are ready to move forward with the property. So this is not something that you sacrifice. It does come back to you at the end of the closing, or it comes back to you if you were to cancel during one of your contingencies. However, your earnest money is something that can really make your offer stand out. Normally, earnest money is about 1% of the purchase price. So if you're purchasing a $200,000 property, earnest money is typically about $2,000. But if you were to submit earnest money of, say, $6,000 or $10,000, that really makes your offer stand out much more than somebody that's only putting down the bare minimum for their earnest money. That shows that you are sincere about the property, that you have the finances to be able to complete the transaction, and this is really showing that you have skin in the game. Another term that you can put into your offer to really make your offer stand out, also along the lines of financing, is a written statement. Now, some states don't do anything with written statements, but in Minnesota, we have the option to say we can put a written statement date in there. It's nothing that you have to do, but it is something that we would work with your lender on. And the written statement date says that by this particular day, the lender is committing to the loan. It means the appraisal's done, it means you're through the underwriting, and everything that needs to be done in order for you to move forward with your financing has been outlined by the lender. This gives the seller a little bit more security, saying that there's a fine line in the sand when your lender is actually committing to your loan. So there you have it. There are two very concrete things that you can do to make your offer stand out. Increase your earnest money and make sure that you put a written statement date in there. For more tips and tricks, make sure that you tune in tomorrow to see some of the other tips from my other colleagues. If you have questions, make sure you reach out, Rebekah at tailoredrealtyteam.com.